don't bite me, Dusha. If I buy another cat item, okay, so I ordered this. I didn't know cats drink so much water. So I bought this little device to where it's a percolating water all day. It's probably about maybe 4 or 5 cups of, there you go, playing with that box. 4 or 5 cups of water, and it just continuously continual percolates. And in the beginning, I had water all over the floor, and now they just look. Get on. Look. There go a little bit. Hey, little bit. Hey, Mateo. But anyway, back to this pickled Epicka. It's just me and my cats now.